Hey guys, your girl Beauty with Mika. So as you guys know, yes, as you guys are watching this video, your girl did get a new Nespresso. Now hold on, I know what you guys are like, didn't she just get a new Nespresso last year? Yes. So I wanted to come and give you guys my 1 year update on my previous Nespresso, which is the Nespresso Vertuo Next with the frother. Yes, I put it back in the box, but girl, let me tell you what happened with this thing. It just stopped working. I didn't have a warranty on it because, as you guys know, I purchased this from a department store, so they did not offer a warranty. So I put it back in the box. Thanks to Hubs for saving the box, and I will figure that out later. But let's go back to this one. So after doing some research, I follow my girl TJ Davidson here on Instagram. I follow Maison Molly. I'll post the women that I follow just for inspiration on different coffees. If you're following Instagram, you notice that I'll do Soul Train coffee baristas. So I'll show you guys what my coffee looks like with my Nespresso machine. But I reached out to my girl TJ and I was like, look, I had this in Nespresso, it went out, I called Nespresso, they basically told me how to reset it. It wouldn't reset, and it was actually saying I need to descale, but I had already descaled. So this was probably the 3rd time I had this issue with my Vertuo Next. So I was like, let me go and just get another Nespresso. So shout out to Best Buy, because your girl did come up on her new Nespresso from Best Buy, and Best Buy offers a 2-year warranty. So this one costs $249. I have a 2-year warranty of $39 with the Geek Squad. So I'm actually really excited about that, because if something happens to it, I could just take this bad boy straight into Best Buy. And you guys know Best Buy always has the best warranties. So let's go on to this unboxing. I know what you guys are wondering, like, well, what does make this one different versus the previous one? One thing I did notice about this one is that it does do your simple coffee and espresso based on milk beverage. I actually have 5 cup sizes with this one. So I get a 40 ml, a 80 ml, 150 ml, a 230 ml, and a 414 ml. I also get 3 capsule sizes, so it actually it reads the capsule sizes and it actually will know. Also, the one cool thing that I like is that it just has the chrome in here. I get a larger water tank and I have the chrome. One of the features that I just overall like was that it does the cup size, so it'll automatically know which cup size, and I can actually choose myself which cup size I want based off the pods. If you're wondering, I'll post all my favorite Nespresso coffee flavors down below. I am waiting on pumpkin spice right now. I'm on their iced coffee, so it's and I'll tell you guys, the iced Ligero. And this is what it looks like. So these are simple iced coffees. I pretty much drink these during the summertime. Put these in. This is about 80 ml, so about a medium-sized cup of coffee. I do 1 cup of coffee a day, and honestly, I have no regrets. Another flavor that we could talk about is the Starbucks one. So Starbucks did come out with Nespresso pods. So this is what it looks like. It's just a simple espresso shot, and I put this one in my coffee with just my regular flavor. So I had this as an extra shot in my coffee. You can get these at Target for $10. So that's pretty much it. Let's go on to this unboxing. I'm gonna bring you guys a little closer so you guys can see me set it up. I do have a small counter space, so as you guys know, I did change up my coffee area. So I'll go into some details about things that I've added since my last video, and then that's it. let's read the book, because I know I can launch this on my app on my phone, so I'll do that after this. I do want to start the descaling, not the descaling, but there's a way you have to rinse it out, so I'm going to start that. I'm gonna put just a regular bowl right here. I will say that the tank is larger than the previous one, but also this is smaller, which I do like, and I like that it's matte black. So I'm just gonna read the instructions to get started, so that way I can do a rinse on it. So it says the first step, obviously you're gonna rinse the tank, you're gonna fill up the tank, do all that. Now I am going to turn on the machine until it goes green. And there's a green button, you'll see. And then I'm gonna press it 3 times. Now once it finishes the rinse process, then I'll be able to use it. I'll probably make a small cup of coffee today, probably like an iced coffee, and I'll show you guys how I make it, and then let you guys know my final thoughts. I'm gonna continue to use it. I'm actually excited that I am replacing this, and then other than that, I'll talk to you guys in a minute. All right, you guys, so everything is set up, as you guys can see. Let's see. Alright, you guys, so everything is set up. I've already descaled. I do like that the water filter, which you guys can see right here, it does swivel. So the other one did not swivel, so I'm able to put water in it. If you're wondering, I just use simple bottled water. We have a filtration system, so I'll use that. In this case, I just wanted to use up these water bottles, but I do recycle, so these will be going to recycle. So this is my coffee area right now. As you guys can see, I don't have a lot of counter space, so the microwave I was able to slide over in the cattle corner. I did move this stand. Now this stand I got at Target. I'll go ahead and insert the picture. It was $20. It has a gold trim on it, so it pretty much has my coffees in this holder, which I'll give you guys a closer look. But all my coffee pods are in here. I wanted to keep it simple and just like presentable, so when I have my coffee in the morning, it makes me feel good. My husband likes Trivia, so I put his Trivia in here along with his flavors. He did buy me a handheld frother back here, and then I have my flavors. So of course, this is the one you guys are probably been seeing me use. Is my Ghirardelli white chocolate. I use this as a topper on most of my coffees when I am frothing my milk. And then I do have only 2 syrups. I got these from Amazon. I got my classic caramel, and then I have a sugar-free vanilla. I am on a sugar-free journey of like just sugar-free everything, my creamers and everything. You guys know I've been working out, and not that I want to drop weight, but I just do want to have healthier choices with my food habits. So yeah, I use these. I don't use this all the time, but you can get this at Walmart. I'll insert everything I'm discussing down below. I do like that the frother is matte. This is matte black, so I do really like that. The other thing is you could just press it with the button and it comes up. So now that I see it, it has to come up a little bit higher. So I'm gonna pull this up a little bit higher in the morning, and then it'll come up. See? And there, it opens. Then I could just go like this or down. Close this, ready to go. So I have my coffee, and then I normally would slide this back because of the height difference. It works out for me. I do like that the stand is thicker and it's more sturdier, so I'll be able to put my coffee. This was highly recommended. The recycle container is right here, if you're wondering. So it goes right here and you'll be good to go. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I do have the recycling. Now to talk about coffees, I have my Nespresso. This is the vanilla custard. This is one of my favorites. And then one of my other favorites that's always selling out is Costa Rica. This was a TJ recommendation. I know you guys probably cannot see it, but this is Costa Rica. These pods are 10 for about under $10. So not bad. If you spend over $35 on the Nespresso website, you do get free shipping. Another one is the one I was telling you guys, which is the Starbucks Blonde Espresso. I love this, love this. This is pretty much a shot with my coffee and I'm good to go. Now I did get some free samples in here, and the samples I pretty much tried on the first one, so I'm just gonna put them in there for me to try again. But these are the flavors. One of my favorites that I was able to pull out and I want to show you guys is the Bianco Leggero. Like, girl, this Bianca Leggero, this is like a must-have in my house. It has a very, very creamy blend coffee. And another one, if you're interested, is the Malazzo. Yeah, no, Bianco Forte. And these are from the samples I'm showing you guys. And this is what it looks like. And another one, last but not least, which this one I'm gonna get stocked up on, is the Malazzo. And that's what it looks like. So yeah, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Other than that, don't forget to thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe. Everything I talked about will be linked down below. Yes, your girl got a new Nespresso. I have no regrets. I know that one was it was just going out, and honestly I really did want this one. My husband did give me that one as a Mother's Day gift, and I was like, dang, the more and more I kept doing research, this one was probably the #1 pick. A lot of people didn't have a lot of issues with it. The turn lock on the Vertuo next was just blah. It was causing a lot of problems. I highly recommend that when you buy an Espresso for the cost of $250 like I did, make sure you get a warranty. So that was one of the reasons why I went through Best Buy versus a department store, is because Best Buy did offer the warranty, so I could be like, hey, it ain't working for me. If you're wondering about my shirt, this is my Juneteenth shirt that I wore on Juneteenth, and your girl had to rock it again. I will post the link of this person from the Etsy shop down below also. Don't forget to thumbs up, comment, subscribe. I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys have a wonderful July, and I will talk to you guys soon. Stay blessed. Bye.